Unlock your creativity with Miro. Discover how this powerful collaboration tool can transform your brainstorming sessions, streamline project planning, and enhance team communication, which will elevate your workflow. So let's dive in. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Miro.com. First step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Miro.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So welcome to the Innovation Workspace, a single EA-powered collaboration platform that helps teams move faster from idea to outcome. So you have just firstly to click over sign up for free and you'll find this page. You have to write your email address and you click over continue and you have to check your email address and then you have to just answer for some questions. So what is Miro? Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for teams to brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas in real time. It offers a variety of tools like sticky notes, templates, and drawing features, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. So Miro is widely used for project management, design thinking, and agile workflows, making it a versatile tool for enhancing creativity and productivity. So once you sign up and you write your personal information and you answer for the questions and you verify your email, you'll find this page as you can see. So this is the home page. So right now we have here various options. Firstly, we have here the home, recent, and started. So here we have unlock Miro superpowers, bring ideas to life with unlimited boards, guest access, and over than 2,500 diagramming. So here we have blank board and we have other boards in the teams, so we can just choose the one you want. Here we have explore teams and create new. So once you click over create new, you will find here board first and you will find here space and we have here import and we have export templates and we have also here other options. So as you can see, so this is about board. And let's come back. So here we have explore templates also. About this one, as you can see, here we have, let's click over the first one. We have blank board. Here we have create team board. So let's click over it and let's wait for the home page. So as you can see, here we have it. So as you can see, we have here various things like we have here all templates and we have here recent Miroverse, we have building blocks by use case, and we have here, for example, meeting and workshops, ideation, brainstorming, and we have research and design, agile workflows, strategy and planning. Then we have diagramming and mapping, presentations and slides. Then we have custom templates such as here we have here our name. So we have just to choose the template that you want. For example, here we have concept map, quick retrospective, and we have here sticky note bags. We have here also flow chart, minimap, syllable retrospective, and we have daily stand-up, quick retrospective, and we have also this one. So here we have introduction templates are here to explore. And also here we have the board as you can see. So for example, here we have sticky note. For example, if you want this, or if you want this, I will just put it like that. Here we have it. As you can see. Then we have another one here. And then we have here also sticky note. And we have your text if you want. Just to click and write whatever you want, for example, like that. And here we have also shapes and lines. For example, this one. As you can see. Then we have other like this one. Do write whatever you want here. Then we have here F1 highlighter, smart drawing, and we have eraser, and we have your lasso and other options here. Then we have here frame, as you can see, and we have here also custom, for example, and we have here phone, tablet, browser. Then we have here stickers, the emoji and gifs, and here tools, media and integration if you want to add someone here, for example. Then we have here if you want to come back, so let's come back, and here we have write the title, for example test. I write for example test. Then we have your main menu, for example board. If you want to edit, view, preference also, and that's it for this one. Then if you want to share, click over here and you get started with that. So here we have the name, for example here we have modified by Walsh, and we have here other options, as you can see. And if you click over here, we have the grid view. As you can see, we have here A. We have this one if you want. As you can see. Then we have other options like this one or this one also. And we have a roadmap here. And also we have your filter. You choose the filter bars, not space. And here we have owned by me. And here we have also last opened, for example, this one. And this is it for this one. Also, you have just to click over create new and you click over board, or you can just select the one you want. Also, you can select the blank board, for example, or you select someone for this template where I have your full shot, minimap, Kanban, framework, quick retrospective, and we have intelligent template also. For example, if I click over this one, or just to click over creating board, and you get started and you modify it whatever you want, and then you click over share, as you can see, and you enter your email address, and you can also copy to invite a link. So Miro is a powerful online collaboration tool that enhances teamwork and creativity. Its intuitive features support brainstorming, planning, and project management, making it essential for effective remote and hybrid work. By using Miro, teams can streamline processes and boost productivity, transforming their collaborative efforts. So this is how it works with Miro.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very helpful and useful to users. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.